Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Sheraton Manila Club experience.
Hi, so welcome to Sheraton Resort
Manila.
World, Manila. So dito tayo sa may airport view na room. Tingnan natin.
Alright.
Hello!
Oh, maganda.
Malaki.
Right, so nandito yung pagpasok. Anong tawag dito? Bathrobe. At saka slippers. And then ito yung restroom. Sana kayo aking artista. Artista! Oh. Ano pa nakikita mo? Open mo to.
Eto, nandito naman kompleto. May lotion pa rin. Tsaka dental kit. Tapos, ayan, may toilet. Alam ko may bidet naman. May
Sa
bidet
gilid,
naman.
oo.
Tapos, shower. Pero walang bathtub. Tapos, yung Sheraton robes nila and yung Sheraton sleepers. Tapos, and 2 queens tayo tonight.
Lumag.
Laki, no?
Oo.
So, pwedeng marami kayo dito.
Wala.
Hindi, joke.
Ito yung work area.
Malaki yung work area.
Oo. And the
At least
airport.
Yan, maganda naman yung view na binigay. And malapit din naman sa elevator.
So,
Ayun lang. See you.
bye. Tidan. Bye. So, punta na kami ngayon sa lounge. See you.
Masarap.
So, doon ay may tacos, no? Easter pa.
Sour.
Yan. So, mas maraming food selection. Ganda, no? Yan
Try
na.
natin. Shawarma.
Wow, ang dami palang ginawa.
Dalawa.
Overload. Hindi overload na. Sarap. Ako, interested ako dun sa ano eh. Kanin na yan. Anyway, happy eating, baby. Bye. Maganda yung selection ngayon sa Tart, no? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, yan. Hi. So, new items for today. Hindi ko na na-videohan, pero so far, maganda yung selection, no? Kaya lang, bye.
May barbecue at
Ngayon, ah.
chicken.
Ano-ano yun?
Cajun chicken.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So that's the end of our Sheraton Manila adventure. We had an early flight the next day, so we're not able to enjoy our breakfast. But then again, it's always good to be back at Sheraton. A good place to stop by, especially if you have transit flight in between Manila and another destination. So until next time, see you again. Bye-bye.